Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones for free, back again with another informative video, and I just want to reincorporate that it's official. Google Fi is a full effect at your local Walmart. It's in my local Walmarts right now, and don't forget about the Pixel 6a on Straight Talk for $199. All right, so this is the realest, the greatest hack of all time, right? I'm telling you. One of the greatest hacks of all time. Get the Pixel 6a on Straight Talk. Use Straight Talk service for 2 months, right? All right, you could do the minimum $35. Okay, $35 a month. That's $70, right? Plus your $200 you just spent on the phone. So $270, right? $270. Think about that for the Pixel 6a. Call Straight Talk. Tell them to unlock your Pixel 6a. If it's not already unlocked, it might be already unlocked, because I know most of the iPhones are already unlocked. Okay, but that's besides the point. Here's what I want y'all to do. My viewers, my subscribers, my followers, my fans. You know, if you're not a fan yet, smash that like button and subscribe. We got more content coming, I promise you. Anyway, your boy TuPhones gonna let you know the real deal, right? Keep it real, raw, uncut. All right, so use the Pixel 6a 2 months on Straight Talk. Call Straight Talk, unlock the phone, get the phone locked, switch to Google Fi. Google Fi got some great services, and the SIM kits come with includes $10 credit on your first bill. So if you get like a $60 plan, a $50 plan, you're only paying $50 or $40 for your first month. Then if you don't like the service, you can cancel at any time. This is why you gotta like Google Fi. It's not postpaid, it's prepaid. During the prepaid section, I don't know if you noticed, but that top up pin on the left side, it's like, I think that's Straight Talk. I think that's Straight Talk. It's a prepaid service. So you can cancel anytime you want to. You can stop paying whenever you want to. But give it a shot. I just want everybody to give it a shot. They run it on the T-Mobile network. They're on the U.S. Cellular network. So, I think they're looking for a new network, actually. So I think they're in the works with a new network. You know, they used to do Sprint, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular before T-Mobile and Sprint merged. So that's why, you know, I was always praising Google Fi. Google Fi this, Google Fi that, like Google Fi the GOAT. I was saying that too. Google Fi the GOAT. They keep you connected. Here, where I'm at, they do. Personally. That's on that's my opinion. But it's a great service. I got great customer service. I really never had any issues with Google Fi. Never. Never. Never with Google Fi. Shout out to all the reps that helped me out back in the day. Anyways, but we officially got Google Fi and Walmart. It's over. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you get on the highest plan with Google Fi, you get YouTube Premium for free. YouTube Premium is included with the $65 plan. So keep that in mind. If you tired of watching ads on YouTube, that's the best route to go. Google Fi. Get you a Google Pixel. Or you know what? You ain't even gotta just get you a Google Pixel. I'll leave a video or a blog or a link with all the Google Fi phones. Just go with a phone that's compatible with Google Fi. That's it. All right. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Long as it work on T-Mobile, you straight, and it's unlocked, you'll be good. You feel me? So y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Have you seen Google Fi in your local Walmart yet? Because it's in mine. All of mine. All right? We officially put it up today. It's a wrap, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, TuPhones.